I cringe when I think about how I used to eat when I was first getting into healthy eating. There is no way I would have called myself It's a Flavorful Life because back then you would not believe the blandness of my food. And this is a mistake I see oftentimes when people are wanting to improve their diet or make healthier choices. You may hear or learn, for example, that veggies, legumes, and quinoa are all extremely nutrient dense foods, and load up your bowl with veggies, chickpeas, and quinoa. But if that's it, you might burn out rather quickly. And that's why I'm so passionate about taking those healthful foods and leveling them up into a meal that is totally craveable. Enter chimichurri bowls. Simple arugula chimichurri sauce tossed with roasted chickpeas and cauliflower, perfectly fluffy quinoa, pickled red onions, chopped chipotle almonds, and of course, fried feta. You plate all of that up and drizzle with more chimichurri, and this is a nutrient-packed meal I will eat again and again.